Python is named after Monty Python, not the snake. So right away, this language has jokes. Unfortunately, some of them are its performance. Here is the deal. Python is the easiest language to learn and somehow runs half the internet, all of AI and your cousin's crypto bot that lost $400. You write code that like reads English. No semicolons, no curly braces, no suffering. For snack in fridge, eat snack. That's real working code. You already understand it. Congrats, you know Python now. Variables, just name them. No types, no declaration. X equal 5, done. Python figures it out. Lists, dictionaries, loops, functions, all clean, all readable. It's so beginner friendly that people forget it's actually powerful until they are building neural network at 2 a.m. questioning their life. Now, Python's famous quirk, indentation isn't style, it's law. Mess up one space and your program dies. Other languages use brackets, Python uses wipes. One rag you tap and you'll get the most feared message in programming, indentation error. People have quit careers over less. But here's why everyone uses it anyway. The libraries need data, pandas, math, NumPy, AI, PyTorch, TensorFlow, websites, Django, FastAPI. Scrape aside, automate your job, analyze stocks, train a model. There is a library for it and someone already wrote the hard part. You just import it and take the credit. Import answer, answer.solve everything. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. Python is slow, like go make a coffee while it runs slow. There is thing called GIL. That basically tells your CPU cores only one of your works at a time, the rest of your relax. 8 cores, one doing the job. Where you know of it? And the memory, Python eats RAM like it's a buffet, and yet it doesn't matter because you build something that works in an afternoon while the C++ programmer is still arguing with their compiler about pointers. Speed of writing beats speed of running almost every time. Easy to start, impossible to outgrow, and it will never make you count your brackets. That's Python. Now go install it and may your indentation be ever consistent.